In this video, I'm about to show you that do Shein accept Visa gift cards. Yes, Shein accepts Visa gift cards and allows you to buy product. You can use it on their website and mobile app like Shein gift cards. The brand also accepts American Express gift cards, Maestro, Dinners Club, Discover Network, and MasterCard gift cards. However, it's important to note that Shein's policies and accepted payment methods may vary depending on your location, so verify the accepted payment methods on Shein's website or contact their customer service. If you have a Visa gift card and want to use it on Shein, they've got your back. First, browse Shein's website on mobile app and add the desired items to your cart. This is simply process of adding items as you normally would do. Now, click on the cart icon and select checkout, or proceed to checkout. This will begin the checkout process on the Shein store website or app. Then enter shipping address and other required information in the checkout process. At the payment step, select credit card or debit card as the payment method. If you are planning to use a Visa gift card on Shein, provide the relevant information. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double check the accuracy of the information to avoid any errors during the payment process. After adding the information, review your order details and confirm the payment information. Now, click the place order or complete checkout button to finalize your purchase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.